Hey, it's Mike at Tucson Subaru. Today I'm going to show you how to reconfigure the keyless access system on a Forester so that when you touch the driver's door handle, it unlocks all four of the doors. So I approach the car with the smart key in my hand and touch the driver's door. It beeps, pull the door open. Fantastic. And open the back door. Oh wait, it's locked. How inconvenient. How am I going to remedy this? Okay, so you want to make sure you go to the home screen by pushing home, and then go to settings, vehicle, all the way to the bottom right, keyless entry system, driver door, unlock. Right now the default setting is to unlock only the driver's door. You want to go switch that to all. Once you've done that, just go back to the previous screen, back to the home screen. Piece of cake. So we've reconfigured the settings. Let's see what happens when we touch the driver's door with the keyless access key in our hand. Unlocks, door opens, that's normal. But look, now the back door opens too. So in less than a minute's time, you have reconfigured the vehicle to make things more convenient for you. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel for more informative how-to videos on your Subaru.